Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. This is Oston back again with another simple video on web development. So, what you're going to be looking at today is a very simple tag. It's called the meta tag. We are going to look at the different meta tags, how they're used in making our websites or web pages responsive, and the different importances of those meta tags. But mainly, we want to look at the viewport meta tag. That's what has brought us here. So right now, as you can see, I already created this. If you need this tutorial, it will be already on the channel by now as I'm creating this video. Now, for the sake of the large screens, we are seeing everything's displayed very well. And yeah, we are having some nice user experience on large screens. But check out when we go to different screen sizes. So you can right click on your PC, then you come to inspect. Others you'll see inspect element, and this is how it is displayed on some devices. So I'm going to choose some default devices. Let's say Galaxy S5. That's how it is displayed. Pixels. That's how it's displayed. iPhone. That's how it is displayed, and it's going to go on displaying that default view to every user on every device, which is not good because it will look weird. The user will have to pinch and zoom in, which will be so painful and tiresome to do every time that the user comes on your web page. And we don't want that to happen. We want everybody to get a nice user experience, whether on small screen devices or large screen devices, the way it is on large screens. So we want even the person using a phone to have that same experience when he or she is browsing through your website. So this is the page that we are on right now, what you're seeing here. And we want to make that responsive first because that's what has brought us here. I want to make this video very simple. We don't want to do another stuff, but still we are going to be looking at some other meta tags. So the important meta tag we are supposed to put here, you write meta, let's say you close it. So that's the tag we want. Then it has an attribute of name, and the name will be viewport. Then you space, there is another attribute called content. You assign it to width equals device minus or dash, the way you can call it, width, then a comma, then you put the initial scale to 1.0. So this is the most important meta tag that you have to place on every website. It's the mistake I used to make back then when I just started web development, and my web pages would look horrible on small screen devices. So that's the most important tag that you have to put there. So maybe I guess they will get the device width with that of the screen width, and they go on scaling to this ratio of 1.0 on every screen device that will be coming on your web page. So right now, as you can see, if I go to S5, yeah, iPhone 5, sorry, and we try to refresh, we must get a one column display on every device. So as you can see, it's now responsive. Every user will be having some nice user experience on different screen sizes because of a single meta tag we put in our head section. Very simple. So that's the most important tag that you don't have to forget when you're creating a web page or website. Then for some extra information about these meta tags, they are also good in SEO. So let's say ranking your website or web page in the search engine. So there are different meta tags. We have another meta tag. The name we can put, let's say keywords, and the content you can put the different keywords that describe your web page. Right now talking about, let's say, cards or wildlife. As you can see, our web page is all about wildlife. So I can go here and I put like wildlife. So these are like keywords or tags that somebody can type in the search engine and they fetch your website or display your website to the user. Wildlife, we can say animals. So these are different keywords you can use. It's the same like on YouTube. When you're uploading a video, they ask you to put keywords for that video so that it enables users to view or watch your video whenever they come and search on YouTube. So basically, that's it. I can put cards since I'm talking about cards. I was talking about cards here, stuff like that. So that's the importance of these meta tags. The next one, you can create a meta tag that shows the author. Say meta tag author, and the content can be, let's say I'm the one who created this website and I put Oston code Cypher. Save. So there are very many different meta tags that you can use, and there is this one you normally see on every page. I guess that's it. EFT UTF-8. I guess, hope I've not made a mistake. So that's the default meta tag at times you find on different web pages. So what's the importance of this? As I told you, first one, it's good for making your website responsive. This one helps you in the search engines in case they are to search your website. This one tells the user, or somebody types in your name in the search engine, they can be able to fetch up your website or web page and display to the user. Then then let me show you the importance of those keywords or different meta tags we have created. Then I have a bar here called audits. So we are going to run an audit on this page and we see the level at which our SEO is on. So right now we are running an audit on this web page. You forgive me for the noise in the background. Kids are playing around. So let's give it some time. So this is some default feature that is found in Google Chrome. It shows you the speed at which your website loads, the different loopholes, what you need to improve on. You can go ahead in your elements and inspect and come to this bar of audits. Right now they are generating a report for this scan that is taking place, and they are going to show you. So as you can see, we have a 89 CEO rank. So that means we have some meaningful information that the search engine can use in order to fetch up our website. As you can see, the performance is also fairly good. Then here they will show you the different screenshots on how your web page loaded. First it was blank, it went on displaying content until it loaded the full content. So basically that's it, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it on different social medias, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorials. As you can see, we're having some good SEO, search engine rank. And the most important part I wanted to show you is this, the meta viewport height. You forgive me for the noise that was in the background. Kids are playing around this side.